Hello and welcome to Adamant IT. This is one of my rare channel updates where I mainly just address my existing subscribers just to tell you about some things that are coming up on the channel and some stuff that I'm going to do. Because there are a couple of minor changes, a couple of bits that are starting up that I just want to tell you about, just so I don't just suddenly start blasting your YouTube subscription page with stuff and you're like, what's going on? Anyway, so firstly, there is a new segment that I'm going to be starting. Probably it's sort of effective immediately. There'll probably be something coming along within the next couple of days. I'm going to start what I guess you could call a video blog, but not really. Don't worry, this isn't my personal life blogging. That's not what I'm going to start. That doesn't belong on this channel. But what I want to do is, I've been watching, over the past couple of months, I've been watching a lot of EEV Blog, which I'll link in the description down below. You guys should check that out if you're interested in electronics and just you know, electrical engineering in general. One of the things that I really like about the EEV blog format is that because it's a blog, it doesn't have to be specifically structured. Dave Jones regularly does videos on just stuff that he thinks is interesting. And one of the problems with my structure of Let's Fix Computers is that a Let's Fix Computers video or a Let's Fix video kind of requires me to fix something, or there needs to be some kind of resolution from it. And what I want to do, there are a lot of videos that I think about or get thrown out because they don't really go anywhere. And sometimes that can be a real shame, because sometimes some really interesting stuff gets caught on camera and I'm like, that was really cool, but I can't make a video out of this, you know. And that's why I want to start the blog series. So whenever I do something, and case in point can be the boost gauge video that I did recently. That's exactly the kind of content that will go into the blog thing, where it's just like, it's an electronics thing or it's a kind of a gadgety thing that I think you guys might be interested in and that I'm interested in, but it doesn't belong in a Let's Fix Computers video. And for those of you who've been around on my channel for a very long time, I even did I did a Minecraft server repair video way back when. And same deal there. It's not really a Let's Fix Computers, but it was an interesting bit of repair or an interesting tech thing that I wanted to share with people, and actually turned out to be one of my most successful videos ever. So yeah, that's what the blog videos are going to be. So if you see the word blog, don't panic. I'm not going to start telling you about my private life that you don't care about. It's basically going to be just interesting stuff that I found, stuff that I think is interesting, stuff that I want to share with you guys. And you know, if you find it interesting, you can watch the videos. If you don't find them interesting, as soon as you see blog, you don't bother watching that video. It's up to you. As always, I recommend on YouTube, I recommend that people use the subscriptions page, not the home page, because then you can just see a nice linear timeline of people's videos and you can just go, boring, boring, boring. Ooh, watch that one, watch that one, watch that one, you know. So the other change that is coming up as well is I'm going to, one of the reasons why it's getting continually harder for me to do regular content is that I've done most of the general repairs that I see. There are videos that cover all the common stuff that I see. And I mean, obviously I'm still making repair videos, but it gets increasingly harder to find something that hasn't been done before on the channel, or that hasn't been done without some kind of twist on it, you know. And I don't want endless repeats of exactly the same content, which I know that some people don't mind, but this is kind of an issue that most creative channels on the internet face, where eventually they realize that they've saturated their market. You know, there's only so many times I can show you how to replace a display an LCD on a laptop kind of thing, because you've done one, you've done them all. And so that's why I'm going to continue to record those routine ones. However, now they're just going to be in a very how-to format and bundled into a playlist. So for example, keyboard replacements, normally I never bother posting keyboard replacements because a lot of them take about 2 minutes. However, I will record them and they'll go into a keyboard replacements playlist. And those videos will be uploaded off schedule. So the main videos that I actually care about and that I try and put effort into will still be either Thursdays or Sundays. However, I will now do just lots of extra content that will just be done off schedule, and it will just go straight into a playlist. And it will probably have some other title as well. So that just sums that up. That's pretty much all I wanted to say. How are we doing? We're on about the 5-minute marker, so I'll stop boring you now. So yeah, basically, if you start seeing me doing stuff, that's what I'm up to. And as I say, you don't have to watch all my videos. It's up to you. If you're just interested in Let's Fix Computers, then just look out for that LFC title. I will title all my videos so you know what to expect to see in that video. So then the ones that you don't care about, very easy for you to skip past them. And if it's one that you do care about, you'll know because it'll say in the title, Let's Fix Computers or something like that. So thanks for tuning in. As always, thank you to all of my subscribers. We're just about to hit 4,000 subs. So thanks for that. You know, mega thanks. It's still growing. I'm still interested in this channel. I still want to grow it. So thanks, everyone. I will see you all in future videos.